This week, a leading company in lithography scanner manufacturing in China has once again confirmed its intention to introduce its first scanner capable of producing chips with a fabrication process as thin as 28 nanometers or less by the end of this year. This company is a subsidiary of Shanghai Microelectronics Equipment. The most advanced scanner owned by SMIC can only process fabrication processes with a thickness of 90 nanometers or more. Therefore, the introduction of the SSA 810 scanner is a significant step forward for this company. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss updates on other interesting videos from us. Chinese chip manufacturers can finally rely on local lithography equipment for various mature technologies, if they have access to lithography equipment that can work at the 28 nanometer level. This step is taken as part of China's larger plan to reduce dependence on imported technology from other countries. However, there is still a question of whether SMIC can produce the scanner in large quantities, and when the company will be able to make the scanner available to compete with machines produced by ASML and Canon. The latest export sanctions issued by the United States government prohibit Chinese chip manufacturers from accessing the equipment and technology required for the production of non-planar logic chips with dimensions of 14 nanometers or less. Their ability to make chips using the latest manufacturing methods, such as 14 nanometers, Shanghai Microelectronics Equipment is trying to showcase the SSA 810 scanner, capable of processing 28 nanometers. Although this scanner will be shipped to SMIC, or the Chip Research Institute, by Shanghai Microelectronics Equipment, the integration process will require more time. SMIC recently surpassed the limits set by the United States by producing 7 nanometer silicon. According to experts, SMIC is likely to produce chips with feature sizes as low as 5 nanometers in the coming years, which will be a direct challenge to the policies of the United States government. In addition, Intel is the only chip manufacturer in the United States capable of producing chips with a 7 nanometer process. American technology sanctions have affected Huawei, which at one point in 2020 was the leading mobile phone manufacturer in the world. However, Huawei returned to the 5G mobile market by releasing 3 smartphones, all powered by the Kirin 9000 CPU produced with 7 nanometer technology by SMIC. Although some indicate that SMIC's production yield for this new process node is only around 10%. The number of new phones shows that its production yield is much higher than that. According to industry sources in China, the production yield is around 70% and continues to improve, as usual, in an effort to push existing equipment beyond its supposed limits. SMIC has proven that they can overcome existing restrictions, and with pattern multiplication problem solving for 7 nanometers, they may also be able to overcome the same problem for 5 nanometers. In the face of all these challenges, China remains the largest and fastest growing market, continuing to export a lot of equipment from companies such as Applied Materials, Lam, TAA, and other companies. In the early first quarter of 2022, SMIC stopped disclosing its technology based on process nodes after recruiting about 250 personnel from TSMC and losing a legal dispute in 2009 against TSMC. However, The control imposed by the United States Department of Commerce on SMIC has proven to be ineffective, and companies based in Europe and other countries have not fully complied with US demands. While there may be further efforts by US officials against SMIC and Huawei, these companies are already on the entity list. This move in this direction will have a significant impact on the relationship between the United States and China. The United States has a limited understanding of China's technical capabilities in chip manufacturing, and many factors need to be taken into account in making an accurate assessment of China's technical capacity. National security issues have been avoided by SMIC and Huawei through the production of the Huawei Mate 60 smartphone, which is a consumer device equipped with the Kirin chip produced by SMIC. This is America's strategy, aimed at keeping China behind in terms of the latest technology generation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, so you don't miss updates on military videos and other exciting technological developments from us.